Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you stopped in today. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the new June 2022 collections. These are the new release collections from Spellbinders for this month. First I'm going to start off with the Just Wanted to Say collection. And that starts off with this nice fun wreath builder. So you'll see that there's two dies that actually have a little curve, so it will create a wreath, and of course you can do multiples to spread it out and fill it in as much as you want to. It does have one that is straight, so you could use that however you want, and then it's got some pieces for the flowers. So that is going to be fun to play with. The next one is the stitched high. If you've been watching my channel for over a month, you probably already know that I've already used this one. I thought it was part of last month's release, and that was my mistake, mostly because we had so many fun stitching dies for last month that I thought this went along with it. Anyway, this is the stitched high. It has the shadow layer, and then we've got our letters for the word high, and I think that is super fun. And then we've got Just Wanted to Say Glimmer. So these are some hot foil sentiments. We've got Just Wanted to Say ... Congratulations. You are in my thoughts. Thanks for all you do. You mean the world. I'm glad we are friends, and have a wonderful birthday, and then thanks for the lovely gift. So some of these would go great with the high, such as Just Wanted to Say hi. So these are going to be super fun to work with. The next collection I'm going to share with you guys, and I don't know if I have everything in the right order, I think I do, is called The Right Words by Becca Feakin, which means you know it's going to be super pretty. So this first one is called My Sweet Friend, and this is the first die that caught my eye. That is a huge scripty. I was just thinking that it's hand lettered. That is just lovely. So we've got sweet, and then we've got my sweet friend, girlfriend, boyfriend, got the word baby, and then we've got some lovely flowers to go along with it. So that one is the My Sweet Friend die set. Then we've got the Merry Everything word, and this is fun. We've got this banner here. Now it's got two different kinds of ends, meaning you can use it with both ends like this. You could cut your cardstock using one, do a partial die cutting, and then switch it and do it on the other end. And so that is going to be super cool. Or you can basically make like a belly band kind of thing with it and overlap it. It's also got a little circle, so you could use it as a tag. And then we've got a lot of fun sentiments. We've got happy, Halloween, yay, Valentine's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Easter, and Thanksgiving. So it's basically everything except Christmas, which we've all got lots and lots and lots of Christmas stuff, right? Get all of those back on here. I am loving that banner. And I'm not really much of a banner or tag using person most of the time, but I think I may change a little bit of what I do. So that is going to be super fun. Then we've got this one that is Thank You for Your Kindness. And this is simply lovely. So it's another one of those cover plates. This one is like a slim line. It measures 6 3/4 inches. So it's just under that size. So that is going to be super nice. And of course you could cut it at different places and use it for different things. And then we've got a bunch of sentiments again. So we've got a big kindness with the shadow, and they split it apart so that you could use it for different things. So we've got thank you, and then we've got thank you for your kindness. You are so kind. So that will work out really nice and has multiple ways that you can use it. So I am loving that. Now this next collection is one I am really excited about. This next collection is partially because we've got yesterday's video was the birthday celebration for Spellbinders. So this next collection is all birthday stuff. So starting off, I've got, this one is called So Many Candles, and look at that glimmer plate. That is totally awesome. This is a card all in itself. All you would do is put happy birthday across the front, or whatever you want to use candles for. This is just lovely, and I am so excited to get to start using that one. That may be what I use for that video for yesterday. Then we've got, the problem is, all of these are ones that I want to play with. They're all fun, and I don't know what I want to play with first. This one is Surprise Box. So we've got basically a little pop-up box that you can put on your card on the inside. So we've got all the pieces to make it as a box pop-up. So that is cool. And then we've got Balloon Party Animal. I think that is super fun with our little balloon dog. I believe I saw a set before quite a while back from Spellbinders. I think it was one of the club kits, but they brought back the balloon animal, so that is super cool. Then we've got this one that is color block balloons. So you'd basically be able to cut out any or all of these circles with all the different cutting pieces inside. It's going to cut out multiple pieces that you can then paper piece together. So cut out several of the same balloon in several different colors, put them all together. That is going to be fun. Then we've got, oh my goodness, this one is super, super fun. Another one that I can't wait to play with, and it is called Topsy Turvy Cake. Look at all those layers. We've got a 5-layer cake where all of the layers are basically at an angle, so they're kind of not wanting to hang on. We've got all the frosting. We've got some, I forgot what those are called, but I've used them on other things. And then we've got a couple of things for decor where we've got some stars and hearts and some strings for, I'm thinking like balloons or attaching to a banner somewhere, but this is going to be super cool. I'm thinking that is super fun. I'm also thinking, because you know me, my brain does go back to Halloween, some of these drips might be cool for Halloween cards. And then the last one for this collection is Birthday Unboxing Glimmer. So we've got our happy birthday. We've got a die to cut out the little banners because we've got all these small sentiment strips. We've got It's Not a Pony. So put something in the box and we'll put a label on and say, It's Not a Pony. That is fun. Oops, I forgot your birthday. I'm sorry, oops, I missed your birthday. I don't think I have any belated birthday sentiments in my stash, but I do now. Today is all about you. Celebrate. Oh, time to celebrate. I had that one upside down. Best gift ever. Close your eyes and make a wish. Ah, that would be so good with this glimmer plate. Okay. Have a magical day and happy birthday. So this is super fun, and there's so many things you can do with this collection for birthday. So I am super excited. This one I think is probably one of my favorites. I have been really wanting to get busy working with it. I have to wait. So just stay tuned. I know I'm going to be doing at least one video using this, and of course I always do multiple videos with all of the collection, but I'm still not 100% sure which one I'm going to start with first. This is just too super fun. Well, you guys have a wonderful day. Check out all of the, I've got the links to all of the products down in the description as always, and stay tuned to see all of the fun projects that I make with these these fun die sets and glimmer sets. This is going to be a blast. You guys remember that if I can make it, you can too. Here's some more videos where I'm using Spellbinders products, and y'all have a great day. Talk to you soon.